Okay, you know what? I think today is Red Snapper Day. How about that piece right there? That's it. That's the one. I didn't even look at the price. I don't care. I haven't had snapper in a while. I got to keep those local fishermen in business, right? All right, all right. That should be big enough, I guess. Can't forget about that pretty. The crab meat. Look at these oysters. I'm digging on them. Aren't they pretty? Very precious. Hot sauce is that. I'm gonna need some of that soon. Yes, we're talking lemon. Gang's all here. One day this will be packed. Crab traps. Little color. Wish we always love our old bag. Well, the Trek bike place is operating. That's good. People need to get out and exercise. So you guys are the go people, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm so glad you are all open.
Yes.
All right. And it's great. I just got some fresh red snapper. And thank you very much.
Thank you. No problem.
All right. Oh, it was a bee. But what attracted me was this bush. Isn't that pretty? Look. Isn't that neat? I think somebody has a chicken. Bamboo. I like bamboo. I do like these purple bushes. They're kind of neat. I don't think those are real, but they look pretty. They're lined up all along. I'm really digging on this thing, especially this chute right here. This is really neat. Looks like a big asparagus, doesn't it? Well, that'd be good to eat. A little lemon and butter. Hey, stop. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I can't see you. Okay. There's that pesky dog. He's cooing. Isn't that cool? That is a historic house right there. And that dog, he thinks he's like a regular Doberman pinscher. He's a real guard dog, yeah. He wants to eat me up. Give us some time. That's a little cardinal. What am I doing? Okay, come on, pay attention. Pretty good hand steady at 20x. Pretty way to end it. So here we are, Eddie Ball, Pensacola, and everybody have a great day. God bless y'all, and we're gonna get through this.